Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine. I'm back here with another video, and today I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial 2019 edition. And this video is for Kiki because she's been wanting me to show her how to do eyebrows. So we're gonna start off with the spoolie, and we're gonna brush our eyebrows from front to back, not back to front. Don't get it twisted. And then I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn because I like to conceal my brows. I like to give myself like a straight line to go by when I put my actual brow product on. So I take my MAC 212 brush and I like to just draw the line. It's kind of like coloring, and I am drawing the lines so I won't color outside of them. That's basically what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I'm just going to be cleaning it up, and I'm going to show you guys how I do both brows because my brows are definitely cousins. They're not sisters, they're not twins, they are definitely cousins, like third cousins at that. So they are a bit different, and I managed to make them look like sisters at the end, so I'm proud of that. This process also helps us to show where our arch is, and also helps us to draw our arch. So that also keep that in mind when you do this part. You are basically drawing your arch and how far you're going to go up and how far your brow is going to come down. So now I use Music Flower Longwear Gel, and I am not a high-end hoarder. I'm not a person who just wants to use high-end because it's high-end. I use this because it's a really good product, and it actually stays for about 2 days. Like, it says 24/7, but it's like literally 48 hours worth a product because that's how long it'll stay on your brows. I literally wake up the next day with tinny brows. So I take the product and I make short hair like strokes with the product in the brush, and I like to blend with the spoolie, and that is just the main tip here. The main key here in this whole tutorial, if you don't learn anything else, is to make short hair like strokes and to blend with the spoolie as you go, because it just gives a more realistic look. I think it looks better than that marker drawn on stuff, and trust me, it took me years to get here, guys. Like, I used to be bad at the brows used to look like Sharpie on, but with patience and practice you can get it right. So you really just have to practice and use that technique of short hair like strokes and blending. So I'm just using the same technique from the first brow, which is just short hair like strokes and blending to just keep the brow looking natural and best as possible, and just filling in those lines, making sure that I get that shape that I want, and highlighting the eye underneath before I even put any product of brow, like the brow gel on my brows. It really pays off in the long run because you actually see like that helps you keep your structure in your whole brow, and now your brow is really just put together. So I like to use a foundation because it's the same color as my skin, and I want my brows to look as natural as possible, as far as around the brow and on top of the brow. So I use Maybelline Fit Me Foundation 355 Coconut, and I just outline, like keep that same outline, just clean it up a bit more. And I do the top the same way, outline it and reconstruct if I need to, because as y'all gonna see, I'm gonna need to reconstruct my next brow. Well, actually right here, I'm gonna need to reconstruct that. You see that? We have to do a little reconstructing, go in and get it right. And that's really what you gotta do. Oops, a little mistake. And the same thing with the next one. So y'all see how concealing the brow, with that being the first step, how it really just helps, like overall it helps just the whole brow. So I continue to just blend it out and to fix the mistakes, where I don't want the gel to be. And then I go a step further and I get a Q-tip to blend it more, to just get a real natural look, get it going, get it looking better, We don't want box eyebrows, we don't want marker eyebrows, we want these eyebrows, period. So after further blending, we are done with our brows and we are on fleek. Yes, boo, yes. Like I said, my brows are really like third cousins, but I managed to make them look like sisters. So I am proud. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and hit that post notification button, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Enjoy.